The 2010 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, four-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, tow hitch, XM satellite radio, Bose sound system, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.